class. Are you excited to learn this new language, children?
Yes, ma'am, a lot.
Yes.
Ma'am.
Now, each one of you has to give me one reason why you chose French over Sanskrit. You could have opted Sanskrit also.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I can tell.
Yes. Arnav Chaudhary, sure. Come up.
Ma'am, because I can use French in the world.
Yes, ma'am.
And ma'am, I cannot use Sanskrit in the world. Ma'am, no one
Ma'am,
speaks
can I
Sanskrit.
tell?
Most of the people speak French.
Very nice. So you can use French language worldwide, but Sanskrit cannot be used. Very good reason. Anybody else?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, Rishika. Rishika, tell.
Ma'am, I chosen French because it is useful. Sanskrit is not useful, and French is bit easier than Sanskrit.
Okay. You can call it a bit easier as compared to Sanskrit, but you can't say it is not useful. Sanskrit has got its own uses. Which language do Pandits use? Which language is used when you sit in any havan or anything? Sanskrit.
Sanskrit.
Ma'am,
So it is also a useful language, but definitely French is much more easier as compared to French. Anybody else has got any other reason? Yes, Rishit.
ma'am, I the reason.
Ma'am, I am taking French because it is a very useful language. It is also used in many apps, websites, and videos, and it is also easy to learn.
All right. It is also again very easy to learn. Okay. Anyone has got any other reason?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta. Arnav Chaudhary again. Okay, Arnav. Okay, now let's have Hargun. Hargun is here.
And because French is a new subject, and when you will go in foreign countries like France, Canada, America,
Spain.
the French used.
All right. So again,
There
if
is
you go out to
lots
other
of
countries, French can be very
Speaking.
useful for all of you. Wonderful. So you all have your different reasons to choose French language over Sanskrit. Okay. Now, children, can I have a little introduction of from each one of you? Everybody, just hurry up and give me your quick introduction so that I can prepare your French list. I have to prepare French students list from 6C. So hurry up
Ma'am,
and
I
tell me your
have a
names.
question.
Who has a question? Ask me.
Ma'am, how many percentage of students are taking French
How many?
over Sanskrit?
Beta, I can't understand. What are you asking?
Taking French over Sanskrit. Ma'am, how many percentage of students are taking French over Sanskrit?
How many students are taking? This is what you're asking?
Yes, ma'am.
So beta, see, I'm taking your class for the first time. Or you're asking in general, not about your class, but in general you are asking.
Yes, ma'am.
You're asking in general. So see, if the class strength is 50, so out of those 50 students, 45 take French and 5 take Sanskrit. This is what the ratio has been, 90% and 10%.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Hmm.
Now hurry up and tell me your names. Just call out your names like Anveshika Chitra, Pragyan Singh. Hurry up.
Ma'am, Singh.
Atiksh. Okay, very good. Next.
Ma'am, Rupanshi.
Rupanshi Agarwal. Okay, wait. Rupanshi Agarwal. Next.
Pragyan Singh.
Uh,
Pragyan Singh.
Goranshi. Okay, Pragyan Singh. Then we have
हाँ मैं भी ले रही हूँ
Lavanya Bhojwani.
Apali
Lavanya
Yangde.
Bhojwani. Okay.
Rishika Agarwal.
Rishika Agarwal. Just wait.
इतना किसके पास लूँगा
Ma'am, Vedic Ahuja.
इतना बातें
All
करो
right. Vedic Ahuja. Very good. Next.
Ma'am, I'm Divan Agarwal.
क्या
Who is it?
Ma'am, I'm the Vasily Kumar.
Arnab Gangwar. All right. Then next, Samriddhi. Okay, we have Samriddhi also. Then next, Goranshi.
Ma'am, I'm Agarwal.
Yes. Angel, Karthik, Naitik. Please open your cameras. Naitik, Karthik, Tejas, Lavanya, Rupanshi. I hope all of you present here are of French, because in my previous class, few Sanskrit students also joined the French link. All of you are from French? If anybody is here from Sanskrit, beta, you can please leave this meeting. You've joined the wrong link. Children, can you hear me clearly? Okay, so let's begin this class by learning a few general things. It is going to be a very general class. All of you have your books? Or is there anybody in class who doesn't have his or her book?
I don't have a book.
All right, there are students who do not have their books. No problem. We are just going to learn very general things today. Now, what are those general things? Let's have.
I'm having the first book of it. I'm not having the second one.
मैम
Beta, you
basics
just
of
need to have one book only. Just show me your book in the camera.
Ma'am, I don't have book.
the second book is exercise book
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I was asking that, ma'am, you have to make a copy from for French.
Definitely, without a copy, you cannot learn French.
Ma'am, I'm having this one book.
Ma'am, one-sided or double-sided?
Ma'am, I don't have the French book now, because when I bought the course, in the course there was not the French book, so I will get it today or tomorrow.
All right, no problem. Yes, Hargun, you've got the correct book. Now, we are going to learn how to greet in French. Anyone knows how to say good morning in French? How many of you
Yes,
know?
ma'am, I know.
Okay,
Ma'am, I know.
Vivan. Okay, Vivan, tell me.
Ma'am, bonjour.
Very nice. Who else knows it? Samriddhi.
Ma'am,
Karthik. Very good. Karthik, Samriddhi, Hargun, Shaure. Okay, Shaure Saxena. What is it? How do we say it?
Bonjour.
Bonjour.
90%
So everybody write down in your copies. What we are going to learn today? We are going to learn greetings today. Now, what is greetings called in French? What is greetings called in French? Can anyone tell me?
मैम bonjour
No, beta, greetings. I'm not asking what is good morning called. I'm asking what are greetings called in French? See, everybody look up in the chat box.
Lesson.
Yes, greetings is called les salutations.
Lesson. Salutation.
Les salutations. These are greetings. Now we can greet somebody by saying good morning. We can greet somebody by saying hi, hello, anything. So there are different ways of greeting people. If you meet in the evening, how are you going to greet him? Greet a person by saying good evening. If you meet somebody in the daytime, you will wish him differently. Yes, beta, say.
Ma'am, is this the copy we should make for French?
A normal copy. A normal copy that you get in your book set, make that. Both sides ruled. Okay?
Ma'am.
Both the sides should be ruled. Okay. So let's begin by learning what is good morning called in French. It's either good day or it is good morning. We say bonjour. What do we say?
Bonjour.
No, not zour. It's bonjour. Jour.
Bonjour.
Everybody just try and speak.
Bonjour. Bonjour.
Bonjour.
Bonjour.
Bonjour.
Bonjour.
Bonjour.
Wonderful. Bonjour. And it is also not bon. We don't say bon. We say bon.
Bon.
Yes, very nice. So it becomes bonjour. What does it become? It becomes bonjour.
Bonjour.
Wonderful. Now, beta, how you have to write the words is you can write the pronunciation in Hindi also. Okay? Like how I have written the French word and then its English translation. You can also make a column of pronunciation, how to pronounce it. And in pronunciation, if you feel you're comfortable in writing in Hindi, you can write in Hindi. Otherwise, write it in English. But your pronunciation should be correct. It doesn't matter whether you translate, whether you write it in Hindi or English. Bonjour. Then after bonjour, we have good evening. How do we say good evening? How do we wish good evening in French? We say bonsoir. What do we say?
Bonsoir.
Bonsoir. Bonsoir.
Bonsoir.
Then after this, we have how do we wish good night? Anybody remembers? Many of you had taken French as activity. How many remember how to say good night?
Mama didn't take the French
Ma'am,
activity.
I take the
But
French
I-
activity, but I
but I
don't remember the
know-
good night
Bonsoir.
word.
Okay. Good night is bonne nuit. Bonne
Bonne
nuit.
Bonne nuit.
All of you look up in the chat box. What is it? Bonne nuit. Write it down.
Bonne nuit.
Bonne nuit.
Written? Now all of you speak to yourself the pronunciation of all three greetings. Bonjour, bonsoir, bonne nuit.
Bonjour,
Ma'am, what is
bonsoir,
the
bonne nuit.
pronunciation of second word? Good evening.
Beta, the second is bonsoir.
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 Bonjour. Bonsoir.
Mm,
Bonne nuit.
Any confusion till here?
No, ma'am.
No. Wonderful.
हम
Now, yes.
क्वेश्चन बता दीजिए.
क्या बेटा?
Bonjour.
Bonne nuit.
Bonjour.
The third one is pronounced as bonne nuit. Bonne nuit. Now, children, in all three greetings, when we say good day, good morning, good evening, good night, so good is same. But why do the spellings differ when we talk about good night? Why does bon change to bon? In the two greetings above, good is B-O-N. But why in good night it becomes B-O-N-N-E? Have you noticed this thing?
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
Can you see? In the above two
Yes,
greetings,
ma'am.
we have written bon,
No.
B-O-N. While in the bottom, we have written B-O-N-N-E. Why so? Any guesses?
Ma'am, is the rule of French? I think so.
What kind of a rule? Yes, definitely it is a rule, but what kind of a rule? What can it be related to?
Language rule?
No, what language rule? What kind of a language rule?
Grammar.
Yes. Yes?
Grammar?
Yes, beta. What kind of a language rule? Okay, let me just
Ma'am,
check.
is it change
Is
a
it?
word?
Is
In
it?
a sentence?
Sorry, I didn't get it.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ma'am, in one unit, in by adding, can it change a sentence?
See, like in Hindi, whenever we speak Hindi, we have genders for everything, every word. I'm holding a pen in my hand. Now in Hindi, what gender does it have? What is it called? A pen, what is it called in Hindi? What is a pen called in
Kalam.
Hindi? Kalam.
Kalam.
Very good.
Kalam.
Now if I want to say my pen fell down, how will I say it in Hindi?
मेरी कलम गिर गई.
पेन नीचे पड़ा है.
Pen नीचे पड़ा है. Did I say the pen is kept down on the floor? My sentence is the pen
कलम गिर
fell
गया.
down. The pen fell down. हिंदी में बताओ क्या बोलेंगे इसे? Let me check your Hindi also, students. Who takes your Hindi? हाँ?
मेरा
कलम
मेरा
गिर गया.
मेरा
नीचे गिर
कलम.
गया.
मेरा कलम. हाँ? What is it? मेरा कलम होता है हिंदी में.
मेरी कलम गिर गई.
मेरी कलम. Very good. मेरी कलम. मेरी कलम. आगे पूरा करो सेंटेंस को. मेरी कलम. My pen fell down.
मेरी कलम गिर गई.
Very good. मेरी कलम गिर गई. Yes.
मेरी कलम गिर गई.
मेरी कलम गिर गई.
मेरा कलम गिर गई.
What are we doing? We are talking about a simple thing, कलम. ठीक है? अब कलम को हमने कौन सा जेंडर दिया? When we spoke in Hindi, हमारे सेंटेंस में कलम को कौन सा जेंडर हमने दिया? स्त्रीलिंग।
female.
क्यों दिया हमने स्त्रीलिंग इसको? किसी ने कहा था कि हम इसको स्त्रीलिंग बनाएं? Why couldn't we say मेरा कलम गिर गया?
We have not teach that.
This is what we have learned by default. From the beginning, we have learned it like this only. So we have in our minds, this thing has been very clearly fed that which thing belongs to which gender. Is that clear? Because we are so used to in talking in Hindi that we know. We talk about this thing, मेरी copy, right? मेरी copy. हम मेरा copy क्यों नहीं कहते? मेरी book, मेरा book क्यों नहीं कहते? हमने starting से we are learning Hindi language. We are talking in Hindi language, and we have become so pro with all the genders and everything. Similarly, children, can you hear me? Can you all hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, how do we pronounce greeting in French? Les greetings.
Les salutations. We call it les salutations.
Les salutations.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now we have learnt all these things from the beginning in Hindi कि किसी भी चीज का क्या होता है, gender होता है. Similarly, like Hindi, in French also everything has a gender. Everything has a gender. हम हिंदी में क्या कहते हैं? हिंदी में अगर हमें कहना है रात हो गई, what are we saying for रात? We are saying हो गई. दिन चढ़ गया, right? दिन का भी एक gender है, रात का भी एक gender है. Similarly, in French also, from a pin to, from a small thing like a pin to a big huge thing like a mountain, everything has gender. But what in French we are going to do? We are going to learn it now. In Hindi, we do not need to learn it. Why? Because we have been speaking it from the beginning. So we know which thing is what gender. But in French, we have to learn genders for each and everything. Is that clear? This
Yes,
is why, yes.
ma'am.
Now listen. अच्छी, अगर कोई चीज फेमिनिन है तो उसके लिए हम क्या एडजेक्टिव लगाते हैं? फेमिनिन के लिए we use अच्छी, right? Anything that is good,
Yes, ma'am.
we say अच्छी, and anything that is good with a masculine gender, we say अच्छा,
Acha.
right?
Acha.
So similarly, the difference lies here. In French language, jour, jour and soir, that is day and evening, is masculine gender. What is it? Masculine gender. Just write it down. Everything that I speak, children, which is related to French, you have to write it down. These are what? These are different rules that we are coming across. Everything in French has gender. Everything is divided into masculine and feminine gender. Before masculine nouns, yes,
Ma'am, my network connection. Ma'am, my network connection is poor.
okay, beta, wait. Now everybody see in the chat box, I have typed a sentence. All of you look up in your chat box. Before masculine nouns, we use bon for good. And before feminine nouns or feminine gender, we use bon for good. Is it clear? Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Written, all of you?
Ma'am, I have doubt.
Okay, ma'am.
All right. Okay. Now, can I have once again from all of you, what is good morning?
Bonjour.
Very
Bonjour.
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 Bonjour. What is good evening?
Bonjour. Bonjour.
Bonsoir.
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 Bonsoir. What is good night?
Bonsoir.
Bonne nuit.
Nuit.
Bonne nuit.
Very good. We say bonne nuit. Children, why haven't we said bonne nuit? Why didn't we say bonne nuit? We have T in the end. Why have we
Silent.
Ma'am, because
It's
T
a
is
rule.
silent. T is silent.
Please silent.
Very nice. T is silent. But why is T silent? Now write down.
English words in there.
Write down another rule. Rule number 2. What is this rule number 2? That consonants that lie in the end of any word are not pronounced.
Ma'am, can I ask something?
Yes.
Can you
When you said that consonants that lie in the end are not pronounced. So
Yes.
is also a consonant, so why we pronounce it
Yes.
like bonjour?
Okay. So that is what we did not pronounce it as bonjour. What did we pronounce? Bonjour. Did you notice my pronunciation when I said bonjour? I am saying it bonjour, not bonjour. Okay? But in case of good night, I called it bonne nuit. Bon. Because there we have E in the end. So we are giving the complete sound of alphabet N. Is that clear, beta?
Please tell the rule number 2 again.
I am just typing in the chat box. Rule number 2 is consonants that lie in the end are not given their sounds.
Consonants are not pronounced at the last of a word.
See, everybody look up in the chat box. Consonants that lie in the end are not given their sounds. Like for example, let me write 2-3 words. For example, one example is nuit. Second example is salut. You remember what is salut? I think a few of you know who have studied French.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
it means hi.
Hi. It means
Hi,
hi
hello.
or hello. And here also, one more word, les salutations. We are not saying les salutations. So these are a few examples wherein we have consonants in the end and they are not being given their sounds. Clear to all of you? Nuit,
Yes, ma'am.
salut and les. Okay, what are greetings called in French?
Les salutations.
Salutations.
Les
Salutations.
salutations.
Very nice. Very nice. It is called les salutations. Les salutations. Now, children, one more thing. Let's learn to call out our names. If I want to tell you my name in English, I will say, my name is Neha Pahwa. Okay? So, what will I say it in French? Yes, Atiksh, you want to say something?
Je m'appelle.
Very good. Very nice. How do we say it in French?
Je m'appelle Atik.
Je m'appelle.
Je m'appelle Rishika.
Yeah.
Je m'appelle Rishika.
Okay. Everybody look up in the chat box and all of you write your names in the copy. Je m'appelle. Je m'appelle Neha. Nobody will type in the chat box because I have to type a few more things here. So don't break that screen by writing in between. Okay. Let's hear it from Rishit. Rishit, how are you going to tell me your name, beta, in French?
Ma'am,
Yes.
Jama Metla Rishit.
Okay, but beta, did you hear what I said? How I spoke it? Je m'appelle. What do we say? We say je m'appelle. Je m'appelle Neha. Now say it, Rishit.
Ma'am, Jama Pel Rishit.
Very good. Je m'appelle Rishit. Now everybody write it down in a bracket, the pronunciation. The pronunciation of Yamapel. Yamapel. Like we say bell, bell in English. Similarly, we call it here pel. Yamapel. Okay, Goranshi Shukla. Can I hear it from you, beta? How are you going to tell your name?
Jama Goranshi.
No, once again. Speak it out once again. Je m'appelle Goranshi. Je m'appelle. Lavanya Bhojwani is here in the class. Lavanya Bhojwani.
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, open your camera. Let me see your face.
See you.
I'm opening it.
Who is Naitik Gangwar? Naitik Gangwar, at least show me your face. Okay, children. Now let's come on to your age. Let us talk about
मम्मी
who is
मेरी एज
it?
कितनी स्कूल में
Beta Arnav Chaudhary, mute yourself.
स्कूल में एज कितनी है स्कूल में
Okay.
एज कितनी है
अर्नव चौधरी, स्कूल में एज कितनी है? हाँ, फेक एज लिखवाई है.
एज पूछी
Arnav, see, he is not listening only. He is not listening. Arnav Chaudhary, can you hear me now? Listen,
Yes,
can you? हाँ, मम्मा स्कूल में एज कितनी लिखवाई है? You don't know your age? You were not even muted. Yes.
I forgot for a second.
Huh? Shouting and calling your mother. Okay. So, How do you tell your age in English?
Ma'am, my age is 12.
My
age is 10 years old.
11.
I am
My
10
age is
years
11.
old, or my
my
age
age is
is
11.
10
I
years.
am 11 years old.
Okay. So
I am 11 years old.
all right.
My age is 11 years old.
So
I
some
am
of
11
you,
years
some
old.
of you are 10 years old, some of you are 11 years old. Okay. Anybody? Who is 12 years old? There are students who are 12 years old also here. Karthik. All right. So I will tell you what is 10. Okay. Anybody who is 9 years
Ma'am,
old here?
Karthik is lying. Ma'am, Karthik is lying. Ma'am, we both are 11 years, not 12.
All right. So let's just say, first of all, I'll write for 10 years old. What is number 10? Wait.
I'm on age 10 and I'm on age
All
10.
Okay. See, everybody look up in the chat box. J, these on. J, these on. What is that? That means I am 10 years old. J, these on. If you are 11 years old, then what you're supposed to write? J, ons, on. J, ons, on. Jamapel, Neha, Pahava.
Ma'am, I am 11 years old, so I can write 11 or 10.
No, you will write 11. See, I have written 11 also in the chat box. Tell your
Okay,
correct age.
Ma'am, what is the pronunciation of the 10-year-old?
Okay, 10 is called these. What is number 10? Number 10 is called these. And age, years is ANS, which is pronounced as on. J, these, on. Now, who will speak these
So
two
we
lines
should write
together? Who will speak these two lines together? Your name and your age. Okay, Atik.
Jamapel Atik J. Dizon.
Amazing. Very nice. Shaurya Shukla. Sorry, Shaurya Saxena.
Okay. Jama, Pale, Shaurya, Jed, Dixon.
No, it's not this. It's called these. These. There is no d sound, beta. It's called these. And see, again, you have to keep S silent in the end because it is coming in the end. So let's keep it silent. J, these on. Okay. Goranshi Shukla. Very nice. Very good. Anybody else? Arnab Gangwar?
Ma'am, can I say?
Gem, Apple, Arnav, J, ons, JD, ons.
Okay. J, ons, on. Okay. Arnab beta, it is Jama Pel.
Ma'am, can I say?
It's not Yama Apple. It's Jama Pel. What is it?
Jama, Pel.
Very
Ma'am,
nice.
can I say?
Yes, beta, say.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Jama, J,